Hi my people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make carrot and green peas sauce. I'll be preparing it with turkey and gizzard, but you can use any protein of choice. Okay, I am poking the turkey to give a little bit of holes on it that are not going to be visible though, and I'm going to spice it up, then cook it because we need the broth for making the carrots and green peas sauce. If today is your first time of tuning to this channel, hi there, feel at home and welcome to my channel. And for my returning subscribers, you guys are the absolute best. Thank you for sticking to me. And today this is a special recipe which you can add to your Christmas recipe. It's not the time you are eating rice and stew, it's not the time you are eating jollof rice. Try this recipe and thank me later. Just make sure you add spices, natural spices like thyme, garlic, ginger, onions, cumin, white pepper, black pepper, and a dash of light soy sauce. This will give a very tasty flavor to your turkey. Remember, everything we use will be in the description box and on the screen too. We made a little puncture holes on the turkey. This will enable the ingredients and the taste of this broth sink into the turkey, and the turkey will be so delicious. These are the veggies we'll be using for the carrot and green pea sauce. The main veggies here are carrots and the green peas. These two are the main ingredients or character for the green peas sauce. So now it's time to make the slurry. The slurry will serve as a thickener for the carrot and green peas sauce. I hope you are enjoying this video. Please do well to subscribe to this channel and share my video. Somebody might find this very helpful this holiday season, because this is one of my holiday Christmas recipes. Do well to share. Okay, thank you very much. Everything used will be written in the description and quantity inclusive. The turkey is ready, is properly cooked, so it's time to fry the turkey. It's not a must that you fry your turkey. You can air fry it or put it in an oven to roast it a little bit to give it a golden brown color, but I choose to fry the turkey. If you want to fry your turkey, make sure the oil is spiced. Adding a little bit of onions and salt gets the job done. It's time to fry the veggies. Fry your onions first. Make sure the onions is quite a bit, and add a little bit of sesame oil to the oil. This elevates the flavor and taste of the oil. Just a little bit of sesame oil, I'll be adding carrots. We all know that carrot is a very hard vegetable, so that it can start cooking. You fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes before adding other veggies. But first of all, I'll be adding black pepper and white pepper. Guys, you see these two peppers? If you are not using it for your sauces or your curries, you are living on a bicycle. These two peppers elevate and takes your sauce or anything you are adding it to the next level. They taste so good. They smell amazing too. I'll be adding some spring onions, sweet corn, capsicum, that's green peppers, and the main peas. You know, we are using green peas, a lot of green peas for this recipe, because this recipe is green peas and carrot sauce. So after mixing everything together, fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then you pour in the turkey and gizzard broth. The carrot and green pea sauce is almost ready, so it's now time to add the slurry to thicken up the sauce. You decide on the thickness of your green peas and carrot sauce. If you want it loose, add little or less slurry. If you want it very thick, you add lots of slurry, that is the flour and all that. Hope this video helps you make a very delicious carrot and green pea sauce this Christmas season. I'll be adding the fried gizzard, and that is all. Mix and turn your carrot and green pea sauce and it's ready to be served. You can eat this with rice, you can eat it with pasta, yam, eko, that's agidi, and lots of food. Thank you so much for watching my video. Do subscribe if you have not subscribed, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Happy holidays.